Is there a difference between Moen 12801 and later model Moen shower valve installation?
How old is your Moen product?
About 25 years. Model 12801.
How long has this been going on with your Moen shower? What have you tried so far?
Leaking started about 3 weeks ago.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Don't want to start replacing old valve and find a need for me to get interrupted. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Mike and I have 20+ years of experience as a plumber. I'll be glad to assist you today.
Hi Mike. Can we talk on phone now?
There is not any difference. You need the cartridge for a Moen troll valve and not the Positemp. If it is really that old and has not ever been changed, you might want to get this to https:/www.hamadepot.com/p/danco cartridge puller for Moen 86712 100,560,034 and some plumber's grease for the pressure balance cartridge. https:/www.hamadepot.com/p/danco 0 to 5 ounce silicone faucet grease 88,693 203,193,536. Merch equals rec_pipsum_105600334_2031935336_n. Sure, we can talk on the phone about it if you like, but for some reason I am unable to send a phone request.
I need to get water shut off and tools, then before call confirm I have correct valve number. Please let me know if that works for you. Did you send message to my cell phone?
If you take the faceplate off, there is a big flathead screw, and that is where the pressure balance cartridge is, which is separate from the mixing cartridge. If the valve turns on by pulling the handle, that is the Moen troll type. https:/www.hamadepot.com/p/danco brass cartridge for Moen 80993TS/203220987. If the handle only turns to turn it on, then it is Positemp. https:/www.hamadepot.com/p/Moen Positemp pressure balanced shower cartridge 1222 202,059,049. If it is the Moen troll type, then there are likely shut-off valves on the valve body. Here is what the valve body for the Moen troll looks like. The two small flathead screws are shut-off valves. https://www.hamadepot.com/p/Moen Moen troll pressure balancing volume control tub and shower valve with stops 1, 2 and CC connection 3570 100,042,903.
I will sign off and call back when prepared. I didn't know how this works. So bye for now.
No problem. Be sure to get the stem puller tool. You will probably need it. We can pick it up whenever convenient. Are you going to get the stuff now?
Sorry, I can't. I am a senior 80 and got quarantined until doctors say okay. Thank you for your good help. Until then, stay healthy.
I see. You are very welcome. Let me know if you change your mind. I would be happy to help make it easy for you.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.